Calling all pizza lovers. Serve up learning fun with the Build-A-Slice pizza cart from LeapFrog.
It's a great day for making pizza.
Learn about shapes, colors, and food names through fun, imaginative play. Kids can pretend to run their own pizza cart and create all sorts of tasty combinations for their customers. Ring the bell to receive an order, then find the right topping and scoop a slice.
Onion.
The magic spatula recognizes each pizza topping
Ooh, yellow pineapple.
and lets little chefs know when the order is right.
Bacon on 3 will make it tasty.
Fresh, hot, and tasty pizza ready to go. Ring it up
Time to collect your money.
and count the earnings. Then make another delicious pizza. Start from scratch. Mix and match the toppings. Pop it in the oven, turn the dial, and voila! Create an appetite for learning with the Build-A-Slice pizza cart from LeapFrog.